times 1/2 m minus 8. If you want to multiply, you can use your calculator, or you can just multiply it top numerator times numerator, denominator times the denominator. You can do that. So for example, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, and then you write the m. You can do that. That's one way to do it. Okay? Now, because these are both fraction, if you write, let me see if I try this out. Let me try this out first. If you write the way I show it to you, yeah, it still works. So like this. So watch. 1/2, so 1 divided by 2, times 1 divided by 2. So you guys see that is 0.25, which is that 1/4. Do you guys see that? Now, if you like Ms. Tran, what if I want a fraction? I don't want a decimal. Then you got to use the fraction button, okay? The one that I show you. So you're going to go 1, this button, and then 2. So that's 1/2. And you go times 1, the fraction button, and then 2. And then you get the 1/4. Is that all right? Yes? So it just depends on which one do you prefer. Do you want fraction or do you want decimal? Is that good? Yeah? Whichever one you're comfortable with, my suggestion is you stick with that. Is that okay? So because I already wrote the fraction, I'm going to leave it like that. What if I want to multiply this now? Well, then I take 1/2 and I'm going to times the -8 because that's a negative. This is the negative symbol. Don't use that one because that is a subtraction symbol. You use that, the calculator says, you want me to multiply and you want me to subtract. I don't understand. Does that make sense? It's going to say error for you. So make sure you put that one. So that's going to be -4. So you're going to write minus or 4. Okay? And then we're going to go equal. And then I'm going to distribute the next one. There's no number here. So 1/4 times m. That's just the 1/4 and then m next to it, like that. And then 1/4 times -16. So we're going to do it again. 1 divided by 4 times, the negative is this button, and then you write 16. You get -4. Okay? So we're going to write -4, like that. What do you notice about the left expression when compared to the right expression?
They're the same.
They're the same. So what word do we use to describe that? Equal, or start with an I. Identity. So this is called an identity. They are identical to each other. If you have an identity, what kind of solution do you have? Infinite solution. Very good. So you write M has infinite solution. Now what does that mean? It means all real number. Any number you think of for M, it's going to work for this equation. And that's your answer. Okay? On the test, I'm going to ask you if this is an identity or not. So make sure you know these two are the same. Are we all right? Question.